Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. The topic of today's video is essay on culture of integrity for nation's prosperity in English. So let's start with the slogan, Step towards culture of integrity leads the nation to prosperity. Introduction. Integrity forms the basis of development of any nation or society. When the citizens of a country work with true devotion for their country, then that country definitely moves towards development. For the prosperity of any nation, it is very important for the citizens of that country to adopt the culture of integrity. Meaning of culture of integrity. Having loyalty towards the truth is called integrity. In other words, integrity means truthfulness of character or action. Integrity is a value which empowers a human being. When every society of any country adopts integrity in life, then we can call it a culture of integrity. Thus, when integrity becomes a part of the culture of any country, then this culture becomes a factor in the prosperity of the nation. Next heading is importance of culture of integrity. When human society is based on the values of integrity, then transparency and truth are promoted in that society. Integrity is a human value which is respected in every society. Only a society built on values like integrity, honesty, and candor takes the country towards happiness and prosperity. Only a culture of honesty and integrity opens the door to a successful and prosperous future. The culture of integrity makes the citizens of the country ideal, which plays an important role in the prosperity of the country. Integrity is a pillar that unites the citizens of the country. Honest citizens form the foundation of a prosperous country. Next heading is culture of integrity for nation's prosperity. The culture of integrity works on the basis of ethical principles, thereby creating an ideal society which is helpful in the development of the nation. When society follows integrity, an environment of trust is created which brings transparency in administrative work and reduces corruption. The society in which the culture of integrity is adopted creates a peaceful environment with honesty. Only integrity takes the society and the country to a new peak of development. Only an honest society creates an educated and aware citizen. The culture of integrity brings stability in the country even at the political level, which strengthens the democracy of the country. Conclusion. Therefore, in conclusion, we can say that the culture of honesty and integrity in the country makes our Indian society better, which strengthens the happiness and prosperity of the country. When the citizens of the country perform their duties on the basis of morality and honesty, only then the foundation of a bright future is laid. The culture of integrity is like a cultural heritage which protects the traditional values of the country. A nation built on the foundation of integrity and honesty always moves towards a bright and prosperous future. At last, we will write a slogan again. A foundation built through integrity reaches the heights of success definitely. So friends, in this way you can easily write this essay. I hope this video will helpful for you. If you really like this video, then please like, share and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.